Hey beautiful beaders, it's Gina from workatopal.com and happy Friday to you. And you're not seeing double. I actually have two of the Potomac bead boxes in front of me. I had gotten the best bead box the last time, the one they had sent to me. This is a brand new subscription, so the last box was their very first one. It was awesome. And I decided to go ahead and purchase the XL version as well. That way we could do a comparison of the two boxes here in one video and you could get an idea of what is in both sizes. I do want to mention that the XL box is sold out at the moment, but they do have a waiting list. You can go on their site and enter your email address and they will notify you when it comes back in stock. And they have told me that they are adding more and more spots as time goes on. The best bead box, however, is still available. Real quick before we get into it, they have provided me with a coupon code for you guys if you'd like to use it. The code is OPAL10 and that code will save you 10% off your very first subscription. So definitely take advantage of that if you're interested. I will leave the link and that code down below if you'd like to use it. So I have no idea what's in these boxes. I've only peeked inside just to confirm which box was which is on the very top of the card. First of all, they come in these great boxes. These would actually make really nice gift boxes. They have a magnetic closure that's really fun for me to play with, and they are quite sturdy. So I'm really impressed with the packaging. And as you can see, it tells you right here on the top. So this is the best bead box, and it looks like our theme for the month is going to be November Sky. This is the smaller version. So this one is as low as $19.99 per month with free shipping in the US. They do offer shipping worldwide for an additional cost. And what's nice is Potomac Beads is a huge online store where you can go back and purchase a lot of the things that you see in your box if you wanted more. So for our theme, it says crisp fall days feature leaves of red, gold, and orange against bright blue skies. It's the time of year for apple picking and wrapping your hands around warm apple cider. Curl up in front of a cozy fire and celebrate the magic of autumn with the November Sky subscription box. That sounds very nice. Inside of that insert, we have the list of everything that is included, which is very important. You know exactly what you're getting. It says here, materials marked with an asterisk can be used in the Eva chain bracelet pattern, which is something that's included in this box as well. That's one of the main things that sets this box apart from others, is that they do include fantastic full color patterns. In fact, here it is right here below that insert. Great way to get started with bead weaving. You'll have all the materials you need to make at least one project from this box, and you'll have additional beads left over to play with. And you'll get to hang on to this pattern with very clear instructions and diagrams. And not only do you get the paper pattern, but you can watch the video version of the tutorial of this pattern on their channel. And they give you the direct link for this one. Below our list of materials on this insert, we also have a link down here, which I believe you can go on to their site. And not only do you have access to the pattern for the Eva chain bracelet, but they also have, I believe, over like 1,500 tutorials. So you're sure to find other tutorials that are related to some of these other beads in the box to help you figure out how to use them and maybe spark your own creativity. Finally, we have a handy card like we got the last time. It talks all about color theory, very important design principles on this card. And then on the back, some information regarding more beads you can find on their website and possibly in the box. So here are our contents down here. We will go through the list and I'm going to show you a close-up of everything one by one. Alright, so I've just organized everything beside me. We actually have 17 different bags of items to go through today, in addition to the pattern that they sent, and that's just in the best bead box alone. Now, from what I understand, the XL version contains pretty much all of these items plus more, so we won't have to go through repeats of these items for the XL box, but we better go ahead and get started. Alright, the first bag we have here is a Potomac Beads button. This is in crystal capri gold, and isn't that beautiful? It's a faceted crystal button. And let's take a look at the back of that. So here is the back, and it looks like it's got 4 different holes. This is a very unique item, something I don't have, and I love how it catches the light inside. Beautiful copper and crystal combination. This is one of those items that's starred, so it will be used in the pattern that they provided, and I'm guessing it will be used as a clasp. The second bag here we have contains 2 Potomac crystal rivolis in the 14mm side, a beautiful bright lemon yellow color. And here's a look at one side of the back and then the front side. Beautifully faceted again, the way that it catches the light. And we have 2 here, possibly could use these in a pair of very sparkly earrings. Next up, we have a bag of 50 crystal rondelles. These are in a 2x3mm and they are in the jet black color. These are something that will be used in the pattern as well. And something I noticed about last month is that even though they provided beads for the pattern that they actually included more beads than you actually needed for that pattern. So I thought that was nice. These next two items are included for the pattern as well. You do get two different colors. There are 40 total, 20 of each color. The first one here being the zinc iris, and then we have our vintage copper. I'll go ahead and take one of these out of the package for you to look at up close because they are a very unique shape. And I believe the shape is specific to Potomac Beads, so it's fun to get some exclusive check glass shapes like this. I've seen all sorts of patterns using these. They have that chevron shape and they do have two holes running through each of these peaks. Then we get into our seed beads, and we do have two different bags of seed beads, two different sizes as well. These are 11-ohs, and these are, of course, the 15-ohs. They're smaller, gorgeous colors, especially that one I really love. These are both Miyuki, I want to point out, so everything so far has been very good quality. These are the Silverline Dark Topaz AB, and these are an opaque pansy, so kind of a pinkish red there. And these two items also appear to go in that Eva pattern. Next up, we have something different. This is cup chain. This is in crystal silver, and it's a 3mm size. Let's pop that out real quick and lay that out. So dainty and sparkly. So that's about 6 inches right there to play with. Next up, we have a bag of melon beads. These are in beach swirl. How fun is that with the light aqua and the topaz color there mixed in together? That's a beautiful combination. Those melon beads have the little grooves that are running along the sides that give them a little bit more texture than just a plain round. Then we have a bag of 30 check glass faceted rounds. These are in the 4mm size, so we got some fire polish here. These are in the color Purple Iris. And I always love this color combination, the beautiful tones of gold, copper, magenta, purple, and even some teal green in there. And I just want to say how much I appreciate how they have the labels on each of the bags, not just a number, which that is helpful too, but this has everything right on the label, so you know exactly what's in them rather than coming up with a bag that has a number on it that somehow corresponds to an old list you may have thrown away. Next up, we have another interesting shape. These are a 5-sided 2-hole bead, the Pego beads in Pastel Petrol. They are a lovely shade of medium metallic blue. I would describe this as kind of a denim blue, and these don't say they're used in the pattern, but like I said, Potomac has tons of patterns on their website, but also on their YouTube channel, so you're sure to find something that can help you out if you are newer to these types of shapes. You can see the 2 holes right there that are running through the bead. I always enjoy getting new to me shapes to play with. It always inspires me to have fun and get creative. Try something new, push yourself out of your comfort zone. All right, next up we have some Swarovski bicones. These are in Indian red and the size is 3mm. I won't take these out of the bag because they're so tiny, and I think we all know what Swarovski bicones look like. That gives you a really good idea of what the color is. That leans a little bit more on the orange side. The next few things are some findings. We have this very substantial feeling pewter toggle called Thatched in Antique Brass. Love the detail on that. Then next we have this pewter leaf charm in this darker silver tone. Here's what the charm looks like close up. Lots of details on those leaves, and there is a peak at the back. Feels of decent quality as well. I can't bend it or anything. And then we have a pendant. This is called the Starflower Pendant in silver, and the metal is a pewter. Lots of beautiful details in this pendant. Here's a close-up look at that. And then next up we have 12 Rose Montes, which are Preciosa sew-on crystals. So I actually haven't worked with these personally. Starting to get a few of these trickle in. I may have to start working with them a little bit just to experiment. I have seen these in some bead embroidery projects, and I'm sure a lot of you all are familiar with these. And I received this color, which looks like it's a spring green type of tone on a silver tone setting. Last but certainly not least, these 2 snowflake resin cabochons. They're 14mm. They're iridescent and beautiful. I have one flipped over so you can take a look at the back and then a look at the front. You can see all the beautiful colors coming through when the light hits it. The background has a frosty appearance, and then the snowflake itself is smooth. Gorgeous, and should be fun to play with. So all of these items, in addition to this full color pattern with the video tutorial available online, is what encompasses their best bead box, the smaller version, the one that starts at $19.99. The price does go up a little bit depending on the length of your subscription. If you want to do a 1-month option, it's just $25.99, and of course you can use that coupon code OPAL10 if you want to save yourself 10% off. At this point, while I'm filming the video, the subscription is still available, but the one we're about to see is not available at this time. So if you're only here to see the best bead box, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. For the rest of you, let's go ahead and see what's inside the big boy. Here is the XL version. The box itself looks exactly the same. This box starts at $35.99 per month if you prepay for 12 months. If you want to just do a 1-month option, it is $39.99 with the free shipping in the US. Like I said, they do offer international shipping for an extra charge. So when we open this up, we get the same type of feel here with our card. It just says that this is the XL. We open up our card and you can see this is a much longer list than the best box, and some of the same items are included. Again, with a reminder of the link that they have where you can check out many more of their patterns that will help you to use up what you receive. Looks like we also have the Eva chain bracelet pattern in the XL version of the box. So of course everything that would be included in the best box that you need to make this bracelet would be included in here as well. But you also get an additional pattern. This is for the sunflower pendant. Isn't that stunning? And so you would get everything in the box to make this pattern as well. Let's peek at that inside. I love how the diagrams are very descriptive and easy to look at. And by the way, I will update you guys in a future video once I've made these patterns, and I will share them probably in a future finished jewelry update, so stay tuned for that. And look, there is a third pattern in here. We also got the looking glass bracelet, another beautiful design, and here's a little peek at what that looks like inside. And of course the videos that go along with it. And we have our additional insert that we got in the best box. So inside are our contents, and we can take these out, and I'm going to separate anything that is a duplicate. That way we don't have to see it a second time. Alright, so I've separated everything out, and I found the exact same 17 bags of items that were in the other box. So that's really good to know. And I also want to point out that just a couple things have different colors, so that would be important to note as well. Like the Eva beads, you can see that one of the colors I received is the same, and then one of them is different, which is perfectly fine. I'm just pointing that out so we can compare. And then something else I noticed are the Pego beads. So we got some beautiful etched gold ones in this box comparing to the blue metallic that were in the other box. The color of the Montes is a different shade of green. The rondelles are different. So just pointing that out so you are aware that some of the colors may vary just a little bit. We do have 11 additional bags in addition to everything that we already looked at in the XL version of the box. All right, so here's what I found out. Everything from here, not including the patterns, down to around this point is what was included in the best box, and then this chunk over here is what's also included in the XL, plus you get the 2 additional patterns in this one. It looks like for the sunflower pendant pattern, they have included beads for that. And then the looking glass bracelet is just an additional pattern. Let's go ahead and see the other items. So first of all, we have this druzy cabochon. It's a resin cab in the 20mm size. The color I received is in Montana. This is one of the items that's going to be used in the sunflower pendant, so this must be our center. I love these druzy cabochons. They're so sparkly because they have so many different angles in which the crystals are facing, so they're beautiful to pick up the light. Next, we have a bag of super duos, and the color I received is the Aztec Gold 2, a beautiful toned down, but still a very shiny and metallic gold. It's a gorgeous color, which will go with so many things, and I feel like that's a pretty generous handful there. We also have an additional bag of my Yuki 15-0 seed beads. This color is in the opaque Nile blue, a beautiful sky blue. My stash of 15-0s is actually pretty limited, so I'm happy to get additional colors of these. And it does look like this color is going in the sunflower pendant pattern, and I'm seeing what's nice is they have coordinated the colors, so even though the colors may differ from box to box, it looks like they still put thought into coordinating the colors for the particular patterns. Next up, we have a 5-gram bag of Ios Parpuka beads. Another unique shape. These are a 2-hole bead, looks like little bricks. It's a rich navy blue. Mine is sort of metallic but quite matte also, so it's not super shiny. And this one doesn't say it goes in a pattern, so it's just one of those extra different shapes that can be worked into your own creation or something else that you find in one of their videos. Then we have this bag containing a Potomac crystal pear drop in an 18 by 25 millimeter. The color that I received is topaz, a bright golden yellow, and that's very substantial. That will be gorgeous to bead around, or if you're into bead embroidery, using it that way, just for example. And here is a look at the back of the coating. A little bit rougher than your Swarovski crystals, but still gorgeous. And once they're beaded around, it really doesn't matter that much anyway. Love how it catches the light and all those facets on this teardrop shape. Then next we have a bag containing a tassel. This is a cotton multicolor tassel. It's an 18 millimeter size. And then we have a cut button. Mine is in jet bronze matted. It's called a cup button, obviously, because the shape of it is cup shape. These are great for using in clasps. Also, there's the 2 holes and a beautiful, pretty neutral color. Next up we have 30 pip beads, little flat teardrop shape with the hole running along the top. These are a 5 by 7 millimeter, and the color is not listed on my bag, but as you can see, it is a light yellow, very much translucent. These are great for bead weaving, using as fringe, drops on the end of a necklace or earrings, just for examples. And then we get to this bag, which contains 8 check vintage shapes. This is a very light mauve and white and clear combination in the glass here, and a little fluted scallop design going around the outer edge of the bead. And there's the hole running up and down. Next up we have this bag containing 2 square pewter bead frames. They are a 16 millimeter size. You can see they have a hole at each end there, and you just pop a bead right in the center and they frame it just like the name says. Looks like they are the same on both the front and the back, so you don't have to worry about what side is what. And then finally, the last bag that we get to that's different is this one containing 2 check glass rounds in 16 millimeter, and these feel quite substantial, very chunky. They are gorgeous. If you can see the colors that are swirling around in the glass here, and then it looks like they're fused in the center. There's black and some topaz, bright red, brownish tones. Those are very unique. So here's a look at everything that was included in the XL version of the box. As you can see, we got all of these materials in addition to 3 patterns. So looking on their site, it does look like they include 2 patterns plus the beads for 2 patterns plus more, and you get a 3rd pattern in this box as well. So you're getting 3 patterns plus a lot more than the materials you need to make 2 of those patterns. So it's a great value, and also having links to so many of their free video tutorials online is such a great resource as well if you're struggling with what to do with some of the beads. I think both of these boxes are fantastic, especially if you are a person that wants to get more into bead weaving, because they do provide you with the patterns and the materials you'll need. Of course, you'll need some of your basics like your stringing material, things like that, but you'll have most everything that you need to make those projects. These beads and patterns sent to your door are just a big help, and will hopefully help inspire you and provide you with a fun surprise in the mail. Very well put together, not to mention the quality itself of the boxes that they're providing these in would make amazing gifts, especially for those who, you know, maybe don't have as much experience and are looking to get into beading. These boxes themselves would make a beautiful gift box. So these are all my opinions. Like I said, I just love the Best Bead Box so much that I had to get my hands on the XL, because I really thought it would be best to share with you guys both of the sizes so you could get an idea to compare and contrast and see what is right for you. Like I said, I will leave the link to their boxes down below, as well as the coupon code OPAL10 to save 10% off your first subscription. And they have all sorts of prepay options for different lengths, as well as just a 1 month if you want to try it out. So as usual, I want to thank you guys so much for being with me. I really do appreciate having you. I hope this video was helpful for you to get an inside look on what's included so you can make a decision as to whether or not this box is right for you. Feel free to leave me a comment or a question down below. I hope you'll join me next time. I will be sharing those finished projects with you in the future, as well as much, much more. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye for now, and happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my latest videos. You can check out the information section below this video for links to all my social media handles, recommended products, and my shop and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching.